A 21-year-old woman with cystic fibrosis was admitted to the ED with a worsening productive cough and respiratory distress. She had been managing her disease with Dornase alpha and chest physical therapy. She has missed several physical therapy sessions in the past 2 months. Her sputum was purulent and positive for chronic colonization with Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Her cough persisted despite treatment with intravenous antibiotics and increased chest PT sessions. A CXR was performed for further evaluation.